what is one thing about being involved in the work that Marriage Helper does that has impacted your marriage?
I am certain, I am positive that I am a better wife than I ever would have been because of Marriage Helper. And maybe God knew that I needed to be in the kind of position and in the kind of work where I was learning about how to be a great spouse day in and day out. Because in my natural self, in my 12 years ago self, when we first got married, I was a hot mess. And I know that I've learned to be more patient, to be more accepting, to be more loving. I am not perfect, but I am way better of a wife than I would be if I wasn't a part of Marriage Helper. So Marriage Helper has made me a better wife, a better mom, and a better person. And I'm just honored to think about what has happened, like the fact that Marriage Helper has poured more into me that I could ever give back to it.
I've not personally worked for Marriage Helper, but working with Marriage Helper to help with things, going through the workshop, being exposed to the content, and being in the family environment of Marriage Helper, I've learned a lot of things that have helped tremendously.